If you're experiencing crashes while playing Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify potential causes and implement solutions. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Cyberpunk 2077. If your hardware is below the required specifications, you may experience crashes or performance issues. Step 2. Update drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, as outdated drivers can lead to crashes. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or GOG, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them automatically. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings within the game. Reducing settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadows can help improve stability and reduce crashes, especially on lower-end systems. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary background applications that may be consuming system resources. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or even overlays from software like Discord can interfere with game performance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issues in Cyberpunk 2077. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.